Bubbles and I have one more Halloween candy recipe for y'all. And this one is so simple. This is great to involve the children. Once you get the chocolate melted, we just going to use our white chocolate, and we're going to stand up here. I've got it in a double boiler so it won't scorch. And just want to kind of keep it stirred until it's melted. We're just going to pour it. Yeah, we're going to pour it out there. And then we're going to top it. You know, who doesn't love the sweet and salty? We're going to use this snack mix. We're going to use candy corn. And then we're going to use whatever kind of chocolate bars you've gotten ready for the trick-or-treaters. Just chop it up. And we're going to put that on top. It's going to be so good.
You're going to break it up like bark.
Just break it up like bark, honey.
Oh, that's going to be delicious.
Yes. And, you know, you can use
whatever.
Yeah, if you like just pretzels, you know, the little skinny bar pretzels, just take them and kind of crush them up. So do whatever you like, whatever your favorite happens to be. All right, so we're just going to spread this out. And I sprayed my parchment paper, y'all. I don't know if that was going to burn me or not, but it's not. Okay, let's go, Sissy.
Now,
press it in.
All I can tell you is this is Francie. You go right ahead.
Francie's their granddaughter, y'all.
Francie and Phil are chocoholics. That's all I can say.
So is my little Davis. Oh, we didn't get any candy down on this end, did we?
You put all the candy corn on one half, sis. Then we're going to put this in the fridge.
No, it won't take long to cool. So you just want to press it down in there.
So we got Butterfingers and Snickers and...
I think there's just a
little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. I just love the sweet and salty.
Yeah, I do. I like the sweet and salty snack mix.
Okay.
So
when these get hard, we'll check back in. So we kind of rush this a little bit, y'all. It's really not ready. But when it's ready, you just break it into the bites, and it'll stay in the refrigerator probably for a good 5 days. Isn't that yummy? Sweet and salty.
I think I got a Snicker.
Takes you 5 minutes to make it, y'all. Happy Halloween.
Trick or treat.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.